How to trim and cut clips in VN Video Editor. Need to remove unwanted parts? Let's trim and cut clips in VN Video Editor. First, open your project and select the clip in the timeline. Tap the clip to bring up the editing options. Look for the trim icon. It looks like scissors. Drag the handles on either side of the clip to cut off unwanted beginnings or endings. To cut a specific section in the middle, move the playhead to that spot and tap split. Delete any unwanted segments by selecting and hitting the trash icon. Always preview your cuts before finalizing to avoid removing important parts. Ever had to trim tricky clips? Share your editing tips in the comments below. And that's how you can trim and cut clips in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.